Good morning to everyone. This is Mr. Abdul Nasser. This is the second video about the quantity survey. Important questions about quantity survey. What is quantity survey? Answer. Quantity surveying is a profession in construction that focuses on managing costs and contracts. It involves estimating, monitoring, and controlling the financial aspects of a project to ensure it is completed within the budget. What is the main role of a quantity survey? Answer. The main role of a quantity surveyor is to prepare cost estimates, manage budgets, measure materials and work, prepare tender documents, and ensure that a project is financially viable and cost effective. Why is cost estimation important in construction? Cost estimation is important to determine the budget needed for a project. It helps in planning, avoiding overspending, and ensuring that resources are allocated properly. What are the key skills required to be a good quantity surveyor? Answer. Key skills include strong analytical and mathematical skills, attention to detail, knowledge of construction processes and materials, good communication and negotiation skill, proficiency in quantity surveying software. These are the key skill includes. What is a bill of quantities BOQ? A bill of quantities BOQ is a document that lists all the materials, labor, and quantities required to a construction project. It helps in cost estimation and tendering. How does a quantity surveyor help in project budgeting? Answer. A quantity surveyor helps in project budgeting by preparing detailed cost estimates, tracking expenses, identifying cost-saving opportunities, and ensuring the project stays within the allocated budget. What are the main tools or software used in quantity surveying? Common tools and software include AutoCAD for design measurements, Microsoft Excel for calculations, CostX for cost estimation and takeoff, Primavera or MS Project for project planning, Bluebeam for digital measurement. What is the difference between a quantity surveyor and a civil engineer? Answer. A quantity surveyor focuses on managing project costs and contracts, while a civil engineer focuses on designing, constructing, and maintaining the physical structure of the project. How does a quantity surveyor manage project cost? Answer. A quantity surveyor manages project costs by preparing accurate cost estimates, monitoring expenses throughout the project, negotiating with contractors and suppliers, managing variations and changes to avoid cost overruns. Why is measurement important in quantity survey? Answer. Measurement is important to determine the quantities of material, labor, and resources required for a project. It ensures accurate cost estimations and prevents wastage. What is rate analysis in quantity surveying? Rate analysis is the process of calculating the cost of each construction item, including materials, labor, equipment, and overheads. It helps in determine unit costs for the BOQ. How does a quantity surveyor handle variations in a project? Answer. A quantity surveyor handles variation by reviewing the documenting changes, estimating the additional cost or savings, negotiating with the contractors, updating the project budget accordingly. What are the responsibilities of a quantity surveyor during the construction phase? Answer. During the construction phase, a quantity surveyor tracks expenses and ensures they align with the budget, verifies contractor bill and claims, resolve disputes regarding costs, monitor material usage and project progress. What is tendering and how does a quantity surveyor contribute to it? Answer. Tendering is the process of inviting contractors to bid for a construction project. A quantity surveyor contributes by preparing tender documents, including the BOQ, specification, and cost estimates to ensure fair and accurate bids. Last question. How can a quantity surveyor ensure cost efficiency in project? Answer. A quantity surveyor ensures cost efficiency by identifying cost-saving alternative in materials or methods, preventing wastage through accurate measurements, negotiating favorable contracts, monitoring expenses to avoid overspending. These are the major questions I explained in this video. Thank you for watching. Thanks.